Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to look at uploading media and images to our WordPress site. Now you'll notice we are inside of the WordPress dashboard, and in order to upload images we are going to go to the media section. When we get to the media section, what you'll notice is that there are no media files currently there. That's because our WordPress site is new. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click the Add New button. And you'll notice that WordPress will allow us to select files or to drag and drop them in there. So if you have images that you are going to be using in your WordPress site, whether or not you are blogging or whether or not you are using it as a website, you want to put those images here. They should be digital images, and as you can see, the maximum upload of the file size is going to be 2 megabytes. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to find an image and we are going to upload it. So we're going to click the Select Files button, and then we're going to go to our hard drive. For purposes of this tutorial, we're going to go inside of the sample pictures, and you're going to notice several pictures here. Now we're going to use all of these in our website in our example, so we're going to click the one at the very left, and we're going to literally hit the Shift button, and we're going to select all the images. Now we're then going to click Open, and you're going to notice that WordPress is going to start to upload these images into the site. And once you begin to click on some of the images, we'll get the opportunity to put in a title, to put in a caption, and we can always come back and use these images over and over and over in our website. So for example, we could say that this is our favorite flower. We'll write a description. And then we'll move on to the next image. And you'll notice that these images are auto-saving, so we can move on to the next one. When we have completed what we're going to work with in terms of these images, we'll click the X button. And then our images will actually be in our WordPress installation for us to use anytime that we like. You'll notice that we can also upload document files. I've uploaded a PDF. We can also load documents such as PowerPoint and Word documents. But the main use of your media section will be to upload images that you are going to use in your pages as well as in your post. Now you don't have to upload all of these images before you actually start posting. You can actually wait until you start the post so that you can find the appropriate image from your hard drive when you actually are going to create some content. And we'll be talking about that in a later video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.